Introducing the Samsung A55, a mid-range smartphone from Samsung. This time, it comes with plenty of upgrades that we have not seen before in the A series. Let's explore its features. If we talk about unboxing, inside you'll find our phone, SIM ejector pin, user manual, and Type-C to Type-C data cable. This color is the Awesome Ice Blue. Other color options include Awesome Lilac, Lemon, and Navy. First of all, let's talk about the design. This is the first E-series phone to come with a metal frame, and the area around the power and volume buttons is extruded, which Samsung calls Key Island. This feature feels pretty awesome. Additionally, both the front and back are protected with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and it has an IP67 rating along with an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the right side, you will find the power button and volume rocker. At the bottom, there's a USB Type-C port, stereo speakers with excellent quality, and 2 microphones. On the top, there's a SIM card tray that supports hybrid SIM functionality, along with an expandable memory card option. There's also a microphone at the top. The weight of the phone is 213 grams, and the haptics are also above average. It comes with 6.6-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with support for a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The colors and details on the display are flagship level, offering stunning visuals. It supports 4K HDR videos on YouTube and HDR10 on Netflix, ensuring a premium viewing experience. Even in outdoor environments, you can easily view content on the display without any difficulty. Now, let's talk about performance. The Samsung A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, which is based on a 4nm architecture. Performance-wise, it falls into the mid-range category, unlike some other phones that offer high-end performance in a similar price segment. In terms of Antutu scores, it achieves around 7,24,000, with the CPU throttling test showing a green graph with 87% stability. Graphics performance isn't fully unlocked in games like PUBG due to the new processor, but we can expect improvements with future updates. However, on Genshin Impact, the phone can run at high settings with 60 frames per second. Here are the results after playing. The major update is in the software department. It runs on One UI 6.1 and Android 14, supporting 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates. It's also secured with Samsung Knox, which now offers advanced protection even for external hardware. Additionally, it features a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25W fast charging. If we talk about cameras, it features a 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The photos exhibit good detail and natural colors. It can record in 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps, and many AI features have been added to enhance the camera capabilities. It comes in 2 variants, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. The starting price is around $450. That's all about the Samsung A55. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.